Alright, today we're going to look at a really nice Zippo, and this video is brought to us by Jack Link's Beef Jerky. This is the original flavor. I think they make several flavors, and the Jack Link's goes really good with Elijah Craig Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, 94 proof. That's some good moonshine there. And also, I got in a selection of movies, something to do that since I don't drive that much anymore. The Dean Martin, Matt Helm 4-movie set, Silencers, Murderers Row, The Ambushers, and The Wrecking Crew. And the descriptions of the villains he faces is pretty hilarious. In The Silencers, he faces a nefarious supervillain. In Murderers Row, he faces a diabolical mastermind. In The Ambushers, he faces, an evil criminal genius. And in The Wrecking Crew, he faces a celebrated international crime czar. Some pretty good stuff, and it is PG. Yep, it's PG. And another set of movies that I got is the Magnificent Seven 4-movie set. Let's see, you got Lee Van Cleef in the Magnificent Seven Ride. I don't think I've ever seen that one. The Guns of the Magnificent Seven with George Kennedy. Also, The Return of the Magnificent Seven. There's Yul Brynner, one of the original. And, of course, the original Magnificent Seven is the best of the lot. There has been a remake of the Magnificent Seven with Denzel Washington. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 1. So let's take a look at this Zippo. And it is a good one. It comes in the double box, and it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And the label, the barcode on the box is Cowhide Design. Couldn't be any better than that. There's the barcode. So we can get this thing open. And the inner box is the normal Zippo black box, and it does not have a label on it except for that idiotic P65 California warning. Here is the Zippo, and it is a premium Zippo, and if you can't tell by that, it is a cowhide design, and of course it's made in the USA. It's a premium Zippo, and it's got those little mirrors on the side, on the top and on the side. Pretty nice presentation. So here is the Cowhide Zippo. This could definitely be one of my top 10. Brown and white cowhide. It's not actual cowhide, it's just a pattern. I think I suggested more cow designs on their Zippos a couple of years ago. I don't know if this is one of my suggestions. Could be. Probably isn't. And this was made in C of this year. This is my first 2022 Zippo. March is C. Pretty good stampings on this. Bradford, PA, made in USA. It's got real good sound. Now this one came with the regular steel insert, but I put in a brass colored insert. I thought it looked a little bit better with that brass against the brown. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this little Zippo. That was a good drop test. Passed nicely. That's a great design. And of course, genuine Zippos are made in the USA. And a cowbell or a cowhide designed Zippo could only deserve quite a bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.